Hello everybody, Cassie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Spellbinders November card kit. This is called Time Offline. I don't know what's in it, so I'm excited to open it up. So let's just jump right into it. So they always come in these boxes. Let's peel it back. Oh yes, I can tell you I'm going to love the die. Oh, all the things. Okay. Okay, so the first thing you're going to notice is you get this card, and the card is going to tell you what the kit is, the contents of the kit, and then on the back it's also going to show you how you can make one of the cards. And this one uses the die to make the card, and I love that die set. And I love the paper colors. So let's jump into what's in here. All right, you're always going to get 10 cards in envelopes. This is going to get you started with making all your cards. These are A2 size, so that means 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches when closed. And then you're also going to get some foam squares and some double-sided tape. So that's going to get you a long ways with your cards as well. Next thing, since we already showed you the die a little bit, we're gonna pull those pieces out. I love it. There's mushrooms. That's so cute. A couple different sizes. A flower. The head to the flower. The tops of our mushrooms. We've got a couple different leaves. I just think this is so cute. All right, next up, let's pull. Oh my gosh, the stamp set. Check it out. Y'all know, if you watch me, I love camping. We haven't gotten a chance to do a whole lot of it, but this is our stamp set. You have a little travel trailer. You've got 3 different types of trees. You've got a little tent, a moon and stars, and our sentiments read, wander often, wonder often, wonder always. You make me a, and then we've got happy camper. Hey there, happy camper. Here's to another year of adventures. Take time to enjoy your birthday. Life is a journey. Just roll with it and go wild. Love this. I can tell you I'm going to love this kit. Okay, we've got a pack of sequins. This one is like a really pretty light blue. They're kind of iridescent as well. They're all the same. Well, no, it looks like there are a couple different sizes in here, like a large and a medium size, so that's great. We've got some puffy stickers. They say outdoors, hey, enjoy this, smile, camp, life, wonder, explore, adventure, and awesome. And then we've got lots of little elements like hearts and arrows and plus signs. Super cute. Those were the foam stickers. Then we have puffy stickers, and these are all a bunch of sentiments. Look at how cute those are. I won't read all of them, but there are a lot. All about adventuring. How fun. Oh, these are so cute. I love it so much. All right, next up we have our chipboard embellishments. So this is front and back. We've got this cute little, I mean, they're just darling little outdoor ones. Life is meant for good friends and great adventures. Go wild, live, laugh, camp. Wherever you go, go with all your heart. The best day, love this. And then some cute little elements. And on the back, ooh, I love it so much. Oh, I know who I'm going to make a card with that one for. Offline Explorer, off we go, love this. You are the brightest star in the sky, go your own way. And then yay, I love it. Ooh, you guys know. If you watch me, you know. Okay, and then here we have our die cut shapes. I like to, when I'm getting ready to do these, I like to put them into like bigger sizes and medium sizes. And if there's sentiments, I pull those out too. I'm not going to go through all of these, but oh my goodness, there's some great ones in here. Of course, we've got our little travel trailer. Oh my gosh, little camp. I mean, it's all camp related. It's making my heart go pitter patter. Oh, I just love it so much. The little Class C motorhome. Ah, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All camping. Yes, yes. I'm gonna have so much fun making cards with this one. I'll probably make some wall art as well. So I've really been enjoying doing stuff like that. Not just making cards, but also making some wall art out of these things. So yay, love it so much. All right, then we have our paper pad, and these are 6 by 6. I don't know exactly how many pieces of paper you get in there, but it is a lot. And these are lightweight, so they're perfect for layering so that your cards aren't super heavy. But there are some super great patterns in here. Oh, geez. I am going to have a hard time wanting to make and wanting to hoard. This kit is speaking to me. Oh, goodness. I am a happy camper. So there's that. And now let's pull out our cardstock. You're going to get 9 sheets of cardstock. You're going to get a full 8.5 by 11 of some gold. We've got, and these are good layering ones as well. They're not crazy heavy, but they would make good card bases if you really needed them to. So look at all these fun colors. Oh, that one's a little heavier. Look at that. Oh. So yeah, obviously I'm going to tell you, go ahead and like and subscribe, because if you like this kit, you're going to want to see what I make with it. So I'm going to put all this stuff back in here, but yes, like and subscribe and come back, because I'm going to have some fun things to make with this. All right, we'll see y'all. Bye.